Yeah. Jay-Z. Global for this shit. Anyway.
Where's Michael? Where's Jay-Z?
Let's get it. Yeah, man.
Nigga got caught fufu-handed.
What's that? What's that?
Yeah, come here.
What's that?
I want to know that yesterday saying no the chop swallow. Yesterday saying I'm too local. Saying no the chop swallow.
Yeah,
He's too global for this shit.
Okay.
Count them.
Nigga, you got caught fufu-handed, bro. 2, 3. Fufu in your hand, you got
we
caught.
caught him fufu handed.
Bro, it's the situation around me. Now check out everywhere. Check out the envelope. Is it cool?
Jay-Z will be disappointed.
Too many evidence, bro.
Listen to me.
Jay-Z will be disappointed.
I swear to God.
He's brown, I'm like in car.
Wait, hold on.
Can I go?
Can I be great?
You are going to police station. I want to get great.
I swear
Can
to
I
God,
be great?
bro.
I'm going to need that.
I will call you later.
Can I be great?